wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 8 best wireless backup camera kits. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 8. If you're by yourself and you have to move a trailer, the iball 5.8 GHz makes connecting it to your vehicle much easier. Installation takes just minutes, and you don't need to run any wires or drill any holes. There's also a digital model that has a somewhat longer range. The battery lasts for roughly 5 hours, and it can be removed when not towing. However, it may experience slight interference. At number 7, the Garmin BC30 can connect to as many as 4 cameras at once to provide multiple viewing angles. The new GPS software switches seamlessly between navigation and backup modes, and it receives data from up to 45 feet away. It can withstand most harsh weather, but it uses a subpar video codec, and it doesn't come with a monitor. Coming in at number 6 on our list. Available in 2 different sizes, Yada Digital won't take up much space on your already crowded dashboard. You won't need any fancy tools to set it up, and you'll feel safe backing into tough spots thanks to its clear parking lines. It offers a custom brightness adjustment and a 160-degree field of view. However, it's not the most durable. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for wireless backup camera kits, or simply click beneath this video. At number 5, with a clear digital signal that won't interfere with your car's built-in Bluetooth, the quickvu wireless is one of the highest quality options. It's one of the few that really has no wires. Instead, it's powered by 2 AA batteries that last surprisingly long. It provides a wide viewing angle without any fisheye effect and installs in under 5 minutes, but it is more expensive than most kits. Halfway up our list at number 4. The rear-view safety magnetic is a one-piece system that minimizes hassle by working directly through your smartphone. If you frequently use rental or company trucks, this is the perfect way to ensure that you're always lining up your rear end perfectly. Its magnet sticks to any metal surface, and it works with Android and iOS devices. However, remember to not leave it on while you're driving. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. If your favorite camera doesn't come in a wireless model, look to the Boss Gaurus transmitter. Its 300 milliwatt power equivalent dwarfs the reception of most stock Wi-Fi connected units, so it works on long trailers where other products would lose their signal. Both the pieces have a dedicated antenna, and it feeds RCA video to any monitor. It's quite reasonably priced too. At number 2, the popular 4U Cam Digital can see in the dark up to 50 feet without interference or static. It comes with all the parts you'll need to get it working, and if your vehicle's extra long, you can extend the range with an optional antenna. It includes a large 7-inch monitor and is encased in shock-resistant metal. This one's backed by a clear picture guarantee. And coming in at number 1 on our list. Easy installation, a strong transmitter, and a nearly universal on-mirror display make the AutoVox rvs-tw the best choice for most drivers. It'll withstand almost any weather you can throw at it, and the consistency of its connection is hard to beat. It features a self-adjusting screen brightness, a monitor that snaps on with no fuss, and a reasonable price for the complete package. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for wireless backup camera kits, or simply click beneath this video.